So this is probably the best spot to see our room. We are in Ocean Key, and if you look at that post coming down from the, I guess that's the buffet or dining room up there. Yeah. The post goes right above where our room is. That's our balcony, the wider balcony there, and then it kind of juts off to the angled balcony to the left. We are the straight balcony, the first straight balcony there. I guess we'll put an arrow there in the film. Here we are in Aurea Suite 14162.
Hello. Would you like a tour?
I would like a tour.
Please, come in.
Thank you, thank you. Ooh, very spacious.
It is very spacious. We're going to start over here.
Okay.
We have 2 buttons, a makeup room and a do not disturb button.
Nice.
You also need to enter a key card. I have not yet confirmed whether it has to be an MSC specific card or you can use any generic card, but I will let you know as soon as we find out. Apparently our room came with extra space. There's bunk beds.
I'm pretty sure that's if I get in the doghouse.
Yeah, this is where Tony's gonna go. Little nightstand. I don't see any outlets. It says there's an outlet. Oh, there's a USB underneath.
I actually thought we were in the wrong room when I first take a look at it, but where do you see USB?
Right.
Oh, that little silver box? Yeah.
Under here. There's a little nightlight and there's a little USB.
But if you have little ones, I mean, this is great.
Yeah, no, and then you could just
block them out.
It's probably nice and dark in there. Light switches, temperature controls. This is our bathroom. It's a tight squeeze, but it does have a bathtub. Has some shampoo and some body wash maybe. Oh, it goes way back there.
Yeah. I told you it was a nice deep bathtub.
Yeah. So it's got a big bathtub.
Yeah, I mean, it's not jetted, but it's deep.
Adjustable shower heads. Commode.
Commode.
Lots of towels.
So resuming our cabin tour after the announcement, I will say, so far I feel like there's more announcements here than on Carnival.
There's been quite a few announcements.
A lot of announcements. And they're in English and Spanish, I
Spanish.
Say?
That one wasn't. But I think mostly all of the ones for the safety drill have been in
I'm not sure if they're, I'm not sure if they're just for the safety drill or not. Okay.
So this is our sink. It's small, but it's rather deep. And it has a soap dispenser here, so you don't have to have an extra bar of soap. It has your magnifying mirror. Woo! And nice corner mirror. So you have mirrors on both sides. Place to store your toothbrush. Store your toothbrush. Store something else. The tissue box is empty. What's that? Someone left this from their last cruise. We'll go turn this into guest services, I guess. So, you know, when I was looking at our couch over there to make sure it was a pull-out couch, there was a comb in the couch too. So I did immediately throw that one away, but I'll take this one to guest services.
It is a little concerning with how well they actually clean the cabins if all this stuff is so easily found. Let's put it that way.
Also, the trash can is in this cabinet.
Okay.
There, and there also is cabinet space down there, which I've never seen before.
No.
Have under sink cabinet space. So this is the bathroom. 2 hanging hooks, towels, robes, hats. On this side over here, we have a closet with shelves and drawers.
What is that at the top? Is that an ironing board? What is that?
I think it's like a
oh, it's just next to it.
I think it's the thing that goes on the...
Yeah. Okay.
It's not very easily slidable, but slidable. And then some hanging space and some shelf space over here on this side. And I assume it's just the same over here. His and hers, I guess.
Got it.
Drawers and shelves, and then all my stuff down there.
Got it.
And it has this very large mirror.
Yeah, it's a very nice mirror at the foot of the bed.
Yeah. Nice size bed. Nice bed frame, not bed frame.
Headboard?
Headboard, there you go. There is a USB-C outlet next to the bed, next to those lights. There's no USB-A or regular outlet.
On either side?
On either side. But there's nice little movable nightstands too.
Yeah, the stands are nice size, and they are movable, so that is nice. But I am surprised on a brand new ship that they don't have at least an outlet on at least one side, if not both. But
it is what it is.
This has been a common complaint, so...
nice size couch. It's very comfy, and it does fold out into a bed as well.
Complete with comb.
No, not anymore.
Not anymore, yeah.
There's a trash can here. What I did find out is you have to pull it open because it's sectioned off into different categories.
Paper, plastic, and what's the other one?
Food.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, you can't just, you have to physically open it. There's some shelves down here. Came with some incense, air freshener. Some outlets. This says USB-C and USB-A.
On the actual tissues.
Right. Light switch. Oh, that goes there. Telephone, remote control. Order breakfast. Just miscellaneous.
Notifications?
They're all the same. Well,
Are
no, they're not. Nice size television. It has some drawers over here as well.
What is this? Is that trash?
Yeah. You know, I think it's the thing that came with our cards. It's not mine.
Oh,
but
someone else's
it came with someone else's cards. And they stuck it in there and he couldn't reach far enough. And I'm also not sure what this is. Like, I don't know what this is.
All right. Well, that's a mystery item we will report back later on.
There are some drawers here. This one has your blow dryer in it. Not bad.
Not bad with that.
And it's also pretty big in addition to, like, you could put other things in here as well. This drawer contains your safe, which does look like a fairly good sized safe. I don't know if you could fit a whole laptop, but certainly a tablet or something would fit in there.
And that is my wallet.
That
wasn't left behind.
Yeah, should we check for things left behind?
Right.
My goodness. There's also a drawer here and a little table and another ottoman that you could pull out and use if you need it. We were also given some of these little espresso pods. He said he could bring a different kind if we wanted, I think.
Yeah, he said he'd bring some more later.
Some sweeteners, glasses, little tiny espresso cups. How cute is that?
And I think the important part that we're leading up to here is, boom,
Yeah.
Nespresso maker in the room. So, happy making.
That is Tony's favorite part.
That is my favorite part.
And they did include for us some glasses, some extra dark chocolates, and a bottle of Prosecco. So that's exciting.
Yeah.
And then our cabin steward also said that anything in the fridge, the first round is included. Sprite, Coke, 2 Heinekens, Pellegrino, and 2 waters.
Yeah.
Wasn't there supposed to be a Toblerone?
A Toblerone?
You don't remember the Toblerone?
I don't.
Oh. Yes. Espresso machine, ice holder, some more shelves. A lot of wall space. I'm hoping it's magnetic. You could hang some hooks there for extra storage and organization. And then we have a balcony. It does have a child lock up high if you have little ones and you don't want them to get out.
Nice slider.
And this is our balcony.
There's a table out here with a chair and another chair. And beautiful downtown Miami.
We already ate good once.
Have a large balcony right there.
I had some fish.
And you can see that they're bunkering right there still.
Right. David right.
And you can see up above, you've got a lot of shade up there So once again, this is not going to be one of those sun tanning balconies.
It is very clean up there, though. Like, there's no little rust stains or water stains at all.
No,
It's nice, and it
No,
feels
it's
high.
this is all looks brand new. I mean, it's less than a year old, so none of the usual rust you see on the balconies. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And those you normally see back here, I don't know why they're lifted out here right now. Maybe they're cleaning them,
Those little things, yeah, they should be right there.
but I'm sure they'll put them back in.
And when you shut the door, it is very quiet. Like, you can't hear.
Yeah, it blocks out all the noise once you lock it.
Yeah, you can't hear anything. I can hear the guy next door, but he's out on his balcony, so.
Yeah, you can still hear him yapping.
And it looks like there's space under the bed for suitcases. There's a lot of floor space in here. This is nice.
Yeah, this is a really big cabin. I would say this is comparable to our Haven Suite.
Yeah, I mean, just a little slightly different layout, I think.
Yeah, but I like it. It's very nice.
Yeah.
All right, that is cabin tour 14162 on the MSC World America.
Yep.